In this lesson, we're going to talk about competitor keyword research. When doing keyword research, one of the smartest strategies you can use is analyzing your competitors. In simple terms, competitor keyword research means identifying the keywords that your competitors are already ranking for on Google. The biggest advantage of this approach is that you don't have to guess which keywords might work. Instead, you can directly discover the keywords that are already bringing traffic to other websites in your niche. Now, the question is, who are your SEO competitors? Your SEO competitors are websites that publish content in the same niche or topic as you, and they rank on Google for the same keywords you want to target. For example, if you search on Google, Best SEO Tools, the websites that appear on the first page of Google are your direct SEO competitors. These websites are already getting traffic from Google for that topic. So the next question is, how do you analyze competitor keywords? There are several powerful SEO tools that help you do this, such as Ahrefs, SEMrush, Ubersuggest, and Google Keyword Planner. Using these tools, you can simply enter a competitor's website URL and see which keywords they are ranking for. You can also find out which pages are bringing them the most traffic. This gives you valuable insights into what kind of content is performing well in your niche. However, there is one important thing to remember. The goal of competitor keyword research is not to copy your competitors. Instead, the goal is to analyze their strategy and then create better and more helpful content. If you can create content that is more detailed, more updated, and more valuable, you have a much better chance of outranking them. In SEO, there is a simple but powerful strategy. Find what is already working and make it better. This approach is especially useful for beginners because it allows you to focus on keywords that are already proven to generate traffic. So let's quickly recap. Competitor keyword research means analyzing the keywords that your competitors are already ranking for. This helps you discover new keyword ideas, content opportunities, and a smarter SEO strategy. In the next lesson, we will talk about long-tail keywords and why they are one of the easiest ways for beginners to rank on Google. So continue the course, and I'll see you in the next lesson.